Thanks for being with us. We recently reviewed the Slimpuro ZNAP wallet, which formally hit the market in the United States. I took the ZNAP out for a test drive for a month, actually a little more than that. So let's get into my carry test experience. But before we get into my general assessments, likes and dislikes, let's do a quick review of the features of this wallet. The full review of this wallet can be found at the top of the screen or in the notes below. So if we look at this, we have the frame. This is a CNC aluminum frame that maintains your cards, and it comes in either an 8 or a 12 card version. We take these cards out here, there is an important thing to show, and what that is that this is a flexible frame. You can see here, just it moves, you can hear it ever so slightly. That is the give that's required here so that cards can get in and out without a problem. And as you see, I've got the probably a 12 card version here, and everything just goes in really nicely. You can hear the snap of the cards as they go in, and it also comes with a coin tray. And the coin tray, as we talked about in the review, isn't all that helpful. They have a better coin pouch that slides in like a card that I would recommend. So if we go beyond that, then we get into what I think is the best part of the footprint of this wallet, because it's so small, is that it has a full billfold slot. And we're not talking about something where you have to fold your cash. It is a full billfold slot here. And I use it for additional cards like loyalty cards, insurance cards, those kinds of things that would not fit in this portion here. And of course, it folds like a trifold, which it is, and snaps together, and you are good to go. And of course, this is an easy pull to be able to get your cards out for pay and so forth. And this has just been a fun wallet and really nice to carry. As mentioned, the card configuration comes in 8 or 12, and it can handle 10 plus notes. Really, it can handle that much cash if you really want. It can handle all currencies with ease and function. Really, everything fits in here, just like a normal trifold, which is amazing considering its footprint, which is really in the palm of your hand. Right here, you can see that. And I don't have any kind of basketball hands by any stretch of the imagination, and it's just nice and compact. I always carry 8 to 10 cards between my credit cards, ID, insurance, discount, loyalty, those kinds of things. And I use the same stack of cards for every wallet I carry, 1 to 1 to 1. And I place my non-credit card items in the middle, as you saw, with the trifold, and it worked just fine, because when you have the CNC frame structure here, it does require the dimensions of a credit card to work, otherwise it won't stay. Now for my likes. The small footprint of this wallet was very nice, very easy to carry. Sat well in my pocket, there were no rough edges, even though there is metal in this wallet, it's no different than other metal types of wallets. It's still, a little heavier than normal, but it sits just fine in your pocket. The cash carry flexibility is really the most impressive part of this wallet. I like the fact I can carry other items in the trifold slot, and I don't have to fold cash to put it in there. That honestly is what makes this awesome as a trifold in its footprint. Now for my dislikes, or maybe suggestions. They had that coin tray, which I talked about, which is nice that they provided, really. Everybody else sells it as a separate thing, except for Aviator, they provide that as well. But it is quite unusable. I really don't carry coins, so it's not a problem for me, but it is kind of unusable. I did notice that it did begin to delaminate most of the cards I used. It's kind of hard to see. And what's nice is, cards like this, their numbers are on the back, so it's not a big deal. But it did start to delaminate right on the edges here because, let's be honest, it's friction, right? So you have friction that goes in and out here, cards going in and out, and you're going to have that happen. You really are. It's really a consequence of the friction. I mean, that's really what it is. And so if you're really hypersensitive about how your cards look and that kind of thing, then this might start to bother you. If not, then it's no big deal. Now, if you do carry coins, like I mentioned, they have that excellent coin pouch that slides into the frame area, and that really makes it a full functioning wallet where you can have all kinds of coins as well as cards, as well as a complete trifold. It's amazing form factor. And there you go. Nice little wallet, one that you should or could add to your collection, and I think you would enjoy carrying it if you are amenable to metal type wallets. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you in the next review. Bye.